Morning, everyone, and welcome to the Monday market breakdown. Now, guys, on this session, we are focusing on the pairs that we did analyze on the Sunday market breakdown. But on this session, we are more focused on the lower time frame on how are we looking to execute any of these pairs. What type of entries are we looking for? So I am having my watch list over here, still the same as yesterday. So let us break this down. So starting with my first pair, I am having one the GBP USD, the Great British Pound over the US dollar. Now, guys, with this one on the daily, overall, the structure is still pretty much the same, whereby price is giving us what this overall impulsive move down, this corrective structure. So with this one, we are having what the high probability of this impulsing all the way to the downside. But now, as we're moving on to our 15-minute chart, so this is how I am looking to execute any of these trades. So it's looking ready, about to give me some type of an intro over here, as you can see. So just before the breakout area, we are having what this is our impulsive move, and this is what our corrective structure. So this is going to be what our first entry. So this is how I'm looking to execute next. So, and my target is obviously going to be on the 90% roll, but overall with this trade, I will continue to do a trail stop. But it is, if you are not, you don't prefer to trail stop your trades, you can just add what you take profit and see how the market is. Sorry about this. So this is going to be a signal that you are going to be taking just right now, as soon as you are done with this session. Okay, guys. Now onto our next pair. We are having what the AUD over the USD, the Australian dollar over the US dollar. Now this one on the daily, what are we seeing? This was what our first continuation from the breakout. So also this one, price to breakout over here. This is what we are looking for price to break out and drop to the downside. And then obviously on the right hand frame, that is when I'll be doing what I'll be looking for my entry patterns. But at the moment, it's looking at prices from what this continuation pattern to the upside. But what I'm looking for is for price to impulse down, giving a continuation pattern somewhere around the breakout, and then multiple impulses and corrections will appear. But in the daily, we suggest that pairs one big impulsive move to the downside. But in the lower time frame, this is how price will be having what the high probability of looking like multiple small impulses and corrective structures. And now onto what our next pair, which is the Australian dollar over the Canadian dollar, AUD. Now, guys, with this one, similar, just like on the previous pair. This is what the impulsive move, price filling with the breakout and dropping. Also over here, price filling impulsive move, corrective structure. So this is having what the high probability of dropping down. But now, as on the daily, this is looking more of a continuation pattern to the upside. But what I'm looking for is for price to impulse down. Let's say price impulses down, and then gives me what those small impulses and continuations that will appear as what is one large impulsive move in the day. Like so. So this is how I am looking at the Australian dollar over the Canadian dollar. And then finally, I'm having what this is my final high probability pair. So the reason why it's a high probability and not a top pair, it is because it hasn't yet reached the area of failure that I'm looking for. As you can see, price currently is at the bottom structure. So the area of failure is going to be what near this top trend line. And that is when I'll be doing what? I'll be jumping on the lower end time frame and looking for those multiple impulses and continuations to the upside to catch that impulsive move to the upside. So this is how I'm looking at right here, GBP, Australian dollar. So guys, this is how my watch list is looking like for the week. So these are the top pairs that I'm focused on. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to stop recording this session so I can focus on you guys, the VIP members, just to hear if you have any questions and give you clarity on anything.